Hi, welcome to Codeio. This is episode 7 of SQL and this is a new table, right? So up until episode 6 we had the same table, city table, and here we have another table called station table, and we are going to see two queries in this video as per audience request. Okay, so this is gonna be a slightly larger one, but I hope it is less than our required time. Okay, so I'm talking too much. Okay, we'll move on to the question now. Okay, so query a list of city and state from station table, and the station table is described below with fields like ID, city, state, latitude and longitude. Okay, and they have given that latitude is latitude underscore n is northern latitude, and latitude long underscore w is western longitude. And it's just an information, that is not a condition that you are going to write the query upon. It's just information. Okay, so it's there. Now the question is that you are just going to select the city and state attributes from the station table, and that is the query that you are going to write. Okay, it's very simple. So you are going to write the select keyword, and we are required to select two attributes, right? And so we are going to write those two attributes here. So city comma state, those are the two attributes that you need, and you are going to select it from the station table, right? So from station, and that is it. For a change, we'll end this with semicolon, and we haven't done that yet, right? So we are just ending with semicolon. Even if you don't give it, it's fine. Okay, now we'll submit this and see if it works. Okay, so the query is working fine. Now we'll move to the second query for this video, and it's quite complicated. Okay, and you're going to learn a new keyword, right? Okay, so here is that one. Let me just change this to MySQL. Okay, fine. So the question is that query a list of city names from station. So in the previous one we were required to query two attributes. Here we are just going to query city attribute, and the condition is that the ID should be a even number. Okay, so you are just going to use the mathematical logic that ID mod 2 equals 0 means that it is an even number. Okay, we are going to use that. And another one is that you are not supposed to have duplicates in them. Okay, so that is one very important thing for this query. You are not supposed to have duplicates, and that is the keyword that we are going to learn, and it's called distinct. Okay, so to avoid duplicates, to select only the distinct elements, we are going to use a keyword called distinct, and we'll write the query now and you will understand it better, right? So select, usually you would give city, but in this case we are going to give distinct of city, and that is the keyword, or that is a method you can say. So select distinct of city, so it will select only the non-duplicates one or distinct ones. Okay, unique ones. So select duplicate of city from station table, and the condition is that where ID mod 2 equals 0. Okay, because ID should be a even number and mod 2 equals 0 means it is a even number, and we are just going to terminate it with a semicolon, and now we'll see if it works. So the query is working fine, and the keyword that you have learned is called distinct, and it is used when you require elements that are unique to it, right? When you want to exclude duplicates, you use the word, or you use the method called distinct. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Nothing else to say. Okay, see you on tomorrow's episode of SQL. Bye for now.